The eagle is the king of the sky. It flies at the highest altitude. It has the sharpest vision. It is a symbol of power, freedom, and strength. But did you know that even the king of the sky faces a crisis? Legend tells us that the eagle can live for up to 70 years. But to reach this age, the eagle must make a nearly impossible decision around the age of 40. Why? Because at 40, its body begins to fail. Its long and flexible talons, which, once grabbed prey with ease, become weak and brittle. It can no longer hold on to food. Its sharp, curved beak, which could tear through anything, becomes bent and dull. It presses against its chest, making it hard to eat. And its feathers, its feathers become old, thick, and heavy. They stick to its chest. Its wings become so heavy that flying becomes a struggle. The eagle is left with only two options. Option 1, do nothing, accept the weakness, and die. Option 2, go through a painful process of change that lasts for 150 days. This process is not easy. It requires total isolation. The eagle must fly to a mountain top and sit on its nest. It must retreat from the world. There, the painful work begins. First, the eagle must knock its beak against a rock until it plucks it out. Can you imagine the pain? Destroying a part of yourself. After tearing out its old beak, the eagle must wait. It sits in silence, vulnerable, waiting for a new beak to grow back. Once the new beak grows, the work is not done. The eagle then uses its new beak to pluck out its old talons. One by one, it removes the very things that used to give it power, because they no longer serve him. And finally, when the new talons grow back, the eagle starts plucking its old, heavy feathers. It strips itself bare. For 5 months, 150 days, the eagle sits on that mountain. No flying. No hunting. Just pain. Just waiting. Just trusting that the change is coming. Why am I telling you this story? Because many of you watching this right now are at age 40 or 30 or 50, and you feel heavy. You feel like you are struggling to fly. You are carrying burdens that are too heavy for you. We are just like the eagle. To survive, we often have to start a process of change that looks painful to the outside world. We have to identify our old beak. What is your old beak? Maybe it is your toxic speech. Maybe it is your habit of complaining. Maybe it is an ego that prevents you from learning new things. It used to protect you, but now it stops you from feeding your soul. You have to knock it off. And what about your old feathers? These are the memories of the past. The failures, the guilt, the toxic relationships you are still holding on to. They are thick and heavy. They stick to your chest. They make it impossible for you to rise to a new level in your career or your life. You might need to retreat to your own mountain top for a while. Maybe you need to leave bad friends. Maybe you need to delete social media. Maybe you need to stop going to the places that hurt you. This isolation is not punishment. It is preparation. You are not hiding. You are healing. After the eagle endures those 5 months of pain, something magical happens. The eagle steps out of the nest. It spreads its new, lightweight wings. It feels the wind, and it takes the famous flight of rebirth. It lives for another 30 years, stronger and wiser than before. Change is painful. Losing your old self is scary, but staying the same, staying with a bent beak and heavy wings, that is a slow death. Do not fear the pain of change. Fear the comfort of staying where you are. If you are ready to shed your old feathers and fly again, write "I am ready" in the comments below. Subscribe to the Hopeful Tree. Let's fly together. Stay strong. Stay hopeful.